Your day is as bright as your smile. Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to the IT class. So, today we have reached at the last portion of our chapter, that is something related to atoms, molecules, allotropy, etc. Okay. So, in the last few classes, we have continued with some softwares, that is G-Plate software, then Stellarium, next GeoGebra, etc. So, today we are dealing with a new software, that is Rasmol. Okay, so let us learn how to observe the molecular structures of fullerene atom, then graphite, next diamond. Okay, so let us see how can we observe that. Are you ready? Okay.
From charcoal to gem brightness. Dear children, did you heard about the term allotropy in chemistry? What do you mean by that? As the existence of two or more different physical forms of a chemical element is called allotropy, which means there may differ in the arrangement of atoms in crystalline solids or in the occurrence of molecules that contain different number of atoms. Okay, so the term allotrope refers to one or more forms of a chemical element that occurs in the same physical state. For example, graphite and diamond are both allotropes of which is carbon that occur in the solid state. Moreover, graphite is soft while diamond is extremely hard. So we can say that the different forms of an element having different physical properties but the same chemical properties. Okay. So dear children, today in this class we can open a new software. The name of that software is Rasmol. Okay. So by clicking on application, education, select Rasmol GTK version. Here you can see two versions of Rasmol. First one is Rasmol classic version and second one is Rasmol GTK version. So click on GTK version, applications, education, Rasmol GTK version. Now you have to know a thing, that is the PDB files of complex molecules are available in the internet. Okay, so we have to download the PDB files of diamond, graphite and fullerene. Okay, and save it in your computer, in your folder. Okay, so files of this kind can be used for your learning purposes. So which type of files you have to download? PDB files. Okay, PDB files. So you have to open the PDB file of fullerene molecule using file and open. Go to school resources, standard 9, PDB files. Here you can see lot of PDB files that I have downloaded from the internet. Okay. Now you have to select fullerene.pdb. Click on the open button. Now you can see the molecules. Okay. You can see this in lot of models. Okay, wireframe model, ball and stick model, etc. So click on display option. Here you can see such models. Wireframe. This is wireframe model. Next click on ball and stick model. Okay, this is ball and stick model. How to convert the wireframe model to ball and stick model? Just click on the ball and stick in the display menu. Okay, so in the display menu you can see wireframe model. If you have to convert that wireframe to ball and stick, just select a ball and stick model. And by using the mouse you can turn the molecule. Okay, and you can observe how carbon atoms are combined in it. See, this is the three-dimensional view of the molecule. Okay, it is very interesting now. Okay, so we can say that Rasmol is a software, okay, which is used to observe the three-dimensional structure of molecules. We can observe 3D view of molecules by using the or by the help of Rasmol software. Okay, so the Rasmol software is developed by Roger Sale. Okay, Roger cell. This is a one word question. Rasmol is developed by Roger Sale. Okay. The three-dimensional form of molecules will be shown in different colors. Okay, in the graphic screen. This is the graphic screen. Here we can see, this is the graphic screen. You can see the molecules in different colors. Okay, when we give basic facts as file input. Usually the extension files named protein data bank or .pdb are given as input. Now we have given the input, that is fullerene molecule, that is in the PDB file. So PDB means protein data bank. Okay, P protein, D data, B bank. Protein data bank, that is PDB. Okay, so the file extension that we are giving input as .pdb. You have to keep this in your mind. Okay. Now suppose you want to find the number of carbon atoms in a fullerene molecule. So how can we find out? Yes, just click on the view option. Here you can see lot of menus: file, view, display, colors, options, settings, help. From this you have to select view option and select command prompt, that is F7. Okay, just click on command prompt. Here in the bottom portion you can see a command prompt window. So this terminal window you have to type select carbon. Here you have to type select carbon in small letters. Okay, I am typing select carbon. Then press the enter key. See, 60 atoms selected. Now you have got the number of carbon atoms in a fullerene molecule. What is that? 60 atoms. Okay. So this is the graphic screen. You can see the command prompt or terminal window in the bottom portion by clicking on the view menu. Then select command prompt, and here you have to type select carbon and click on the enter key in your keyboard. Okay, now you have got the number of atoms in the fullerene molecule. Number of carbon atoms in fullerene molecule. Now suppose you have to change the color. Okay, this is in gray color or white color. So you have to change the color of the molecules or atoms. How can you change it? Yes, just type here color yellow, COLOR. In the computer you have to type always the spelling of color is COLOR. Okay, not COLOUR. You have to type COLOR. Next I am going to change the color to yellow color. Then click on the enter key. See, the color has changed to yellow color. Now what will you do to give some other colors? Yes, you have to type color, then type red. See, it has changed to red. Likewise you can change the colors. Okay, I am changing to blue color. See, it's nice now. Okay, so this is your activity 5.1, that is observing the molecular structure of fullerene. Next activity is that observing the molecular structure of diamond and graphite. Okay, so diamond, graphite and fullerene are the allotropes of carbon in the crystal form. So we have already observed the molecular structure of fullerene. Now we are going to find out or observing the molecular structure of diamond and graphite. Okay, for that just open then diamond.pdb. See, here you can see this diamond.pdb. This is also in the wireframe model. So you have to change the model to ball and stick by clicking on display ball and stick. This is the wireframe model, okay, of diamond. Now here you can display the command prompt by clicking on view command prompt, then type select carbon. See, 331 atoms are selected. You can change the color by typing color yellow or any color. Okay, see, the color has changed. Now we can observe the molecular structure of graphite. For that I am just closing that, clicking on application, education and Rasmol GTK version. File, open, go to school resources, select standard 9, open PDB file. Here we can see graphite. Okay, so just click graphite.pdb and we can change the model to ball and stick. See, this is the 3D view of graphite. Okay, now we can view the command prompt or terminal. Now type select carbon, (200) atoms select. Now we can change the color to any other color. Okay, see, the color has changed. Okay, the number of atoms is 200. Okay, so dear children, this is about molecular structure of fullerene and diamond and graphite. Okay, so you have to complete these activities from the computer lab after the school reopens. It is very easy, it is very user friendly software. Okay, Rasmol GTK version. So in the textbook you can see a question that is, which of the following files can be used to observe the molecular structure of a substance through Rasmol software? What is the answer? Is option B, .pdb. PDB means protein. Yes, what is the full form of PDB? Protein Data Bank. Okay, so this is about our 5th chapter. So we have completed that. In the next class we can start the new chapter. Okay, so you have to write one word question and answers very neatly and write the steps that we have doing the practical section in the back side of your notebook. Okay, thank you dear children. Stay at your home and stay safe.